Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering Forex trading from scratch in just a few easy steps. Forex trading, it's a term you've probably heard thrown around online, and for good reason. The potential to generate income through Forex trading is massive, and it's an opportunity that's available to anyone, regardless of their background or experience. But what exactly is Forex trading, and how can you get started? When it comes to Forex trading, one of the biggest hurdles that beginners face is the sheer volatility of the market. Prices can fluctuate rapidly, making it difficult to know when to buy or sell. And on top of that, there's a steep learning curve. There's a lot to learn, from understanding different currency pairs to navigating the various trading platforms out there. It's enough to make your head spin, and it's no wonder that many people get discouraged and give up before they even really get started. But the truth is, volatility can actually be a good thing. It means there are plenty of opportunities to make money, if you know what you're doing. And while the learning curve may be steep, it's not insurmountable. With the right guidance and a willingness to put in the work, anyone can master Forex trading. Another challenge that beginners face is the sheer amount of information out there. There are so many different trading strategies, so many different indicators and charts to follow, and so many different opinions on what works and what doesn't. It can be overwhelming, to say the least. And to make matters worse, there are plenty of scams and get-rich-quick schemes out there that promise the world but fail to deliver. So how do you separate the wheat from the chaff, and get started with Forex trading in a way that's safe and sustainable? The first step to mastering Forex trading is to understand market trends. This means taking the time to study the markets, to learn how they move, and to identify patterns and trends. It's not about guessing what the market will do next, but about understanding the underlying forces that drive it. And once you have a solid grasp of market trends, you can start to develop a trading strategy that works for you. The next step is to choose the right broker. This is a crucial decision, because the broker you choose will have a big impact on your trading experience. You'll want to look for a broker that's reputable, that offers competitive rates, and that provides the tools and resources you need to succeed. Our advice: to open with ICM Capital as the best broker, with multi-regulated and licensed broker, international award-winning broker. You can find the link in description. In addition to understanding market trends and choosing the right broker, it's also essential to develop a trading strategy that works for you. This means thinking about your goals, your risk tolerance, and your trading style, and creating a plan that takes all of these factors into account. It's not about following someone else's rules, but about creating a strategy that's tailored to your unique needs and goals. One key insight that can significantly improve your chances of success as a Forex trader is the importance of risk management. This means being mindful of the risks involved in trading and taking steps to minimize them. It's not about being reckless, but about being smart and strategic in your approach. And the good news is that there are plenty of ways to manage risk, from setting stop-loss orders to diversifying your portfolio. By understanding market trends, choosing the right broker, developing a trading strategy, and managing risk, you can set yourself up for success as a Forex trader. It's not rocket science, but it does take time and effort to get it right. And the good news is that anyone can do it, regardless of their background or experience. In conclusion, mastering Forex trading from scratch is definitely possible, and it's worth the effort. By following the simple steps outlined in this video, you can set yourself up for success and start generating income through Forex trading. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll be diving deeper into advanced Forex trading strategies. Be sure to check out our next video on advanced trading strategies for even more tips and insights to help you succeed in the Forex market.